couples who cover up together stay together. That is some really bad engineering. It looks awful. We've made a huge mistake.
Alright guys, welcome to the actual vlog where the work starts in this bathroom, the first actual video of this renovation series where we are going to start to treat the tiles to make them ready to get their paint. So what we did first is we cleaned all the tiles, we scrubbed them down so they are completely fat and dust free, and now we're going to put down this first layer here, which is the waterborne bonding primer for interior and exterior, and that will make a surface where the actual color, which is the same like paint that we use in the rest of the condo, can actually have something to stick onto, to hold onto. So we need to do two things. We need to cover up certain parts of the bathroom, which I'll leave up to Nelly, and we need to start painting the tiles, which I'll start with.
No, but you cover it up and I'm painting.
No, I hate covering up things.
Why don't we do both together?
While we're at it,
the couples who cover up together stay together.
And while we're at it, we're going to paint this side of the door as well, because we're going to get a wood panel to go over this opening here. So we're going to paint that wood panel white and the rest of the door white, so it becomes a cohesive look.
Hello. Yeah, the thing that we used for the tiles is crude and cutter. That's what I see at all.
There's no and. Where's the and there, Nelly?
Crude cutter. It's what every DIY YouTuber uses, so I'm so influenced by influencers.
Nelly likes to invent words and company names like Doug and Grocer.
What is something that you call the wrong name, but it still makes sense?
Open the bottle of wine.
What are you looking for?
They're twisting to open the bottle of wine. Did you see it?
What's it called?
Twisting!
Or the thingy.
The thingy.
The ano.
Then you can take off your mask because we're only going to be sewing it a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a nice board running around here and some boards running down, which will separate the bottom of the bathroom and the top, which means we can make it nice and bright but still bring in three-dimensionality.
A little bit of contrast.
Yeah. I came up with this idea yesterday while I was thinking hard about how it would look best. Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
Alright, so what we're going to have here is we're going to have a board going down here, down here, down here, down here, down there, and on the end, and then one running across here, which will give it a nice little...
Wow, you're so detailed with your DIY project, Mike.
Okay, so we need to measure and we need to cut. We already bought the wood.
Yes.
And by the way, if you watched the vlog the other day, we bought this here, Wilcon Depot. And the jigsaw, and this was so hard to put together because the instructions are in Chinese. Well, it's not just Chinese, Nelly. There's some Chinese and then there's some Korean, and it's mixed. I don't understand. Or what is this? Can you guys tell me? I don't know. Anyway, I figured it out eventually. I figured it out, and it's put together, and it's really, really cool. It's gonna make cutting all these things up a lot easier.
Brothers and sisters all, we're scaling all the walls, the world is ours, believe it's true. So let's dance, unite away, go on and sing what you want to say. So let's dance, unite away, go on and sing what you want to say. Sing it.
That is some really bad engineering.
You said 43.3.
This is the fun part.
We said 43.3. This is 43.3. Why is it not 43.3?
I don't know.
Oh, it's 34.3. What did you write down? 34.3. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So Mike said, "Oh no, like you have to help me measure everything, and then we have to cut it together." And I said, "Why do we have to do it together? I mean, like I can do something else. And he's like, no, it's crucial that we do it together. And yep, we made a huge mistake.
Okay, so
Yes.
do we want to do it like this?
No, above. Yeah, above the line. So we have a leading line.
And then it's gonna just be cut out for that. Alright, we've done some work in here, we've done some measuring, we've done some cutting wood, we've done some prep, and we've done some taping of parts that we don't want paint on. So now comes the point of no return. Now comes the point where we can't go back. Okay, so this here is not the paint, this is just the
primer.
The primer, exactly. So we need like the thinnest little coat of this, and all we want is just like an even, thin spread over the entirety of the tiles, which will give us a good base for the actual paint. Oh wow, this distributes so easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this.
And I think most importantly, we are not supposed to take too much of the paint because
Exactly.
my learnings from the past are the more paint you use, the messier it gets on the wall. So you will get some really weird looking structures. So just add a thin layer and then wait and maybe put a second layer on. But yeah, that's looking okay. And while Mike is painting the bathroom or putting on the base, I'm going to repair this piece of wood because when we cut it, this little thingy came off. So I'm just going to glue it with this adhesive nail montage. So it's just a glue. So unfortunately I lost the top. So I'm just using this little spatula. Putting some glue on here. And here we go. We're putting this back on because this side is going to be glued to the wall. I'm just making sure it's all good. Okay, here's a little progress check. I know what you think. It looks awful. We've made a huge mistake, but we have to trust the process. It looks very messy right now.
It looks patchy.
Yeah.
But basically the reason why it looks patchy is this color sucks into the tile. And then now this is like super rough, which gives it a nice foundation for, it's like a nice primer for the color to hold on to. So we can let this cure for I think an hour or two, and then we can put on the paint.
Good job.
Yeah. And this is going nowhere. I mean, you can't even scratch this off with your fingernail. It's like really good.
It's there forever.
It's there forever.
And if I can give you one piece of advice, it's don't be cheap with your masking tape. We are using 3M. We tried a few masking tapes during our condo renovation where we painted all walls, and it turned out to be the best version, the best option for just making sure the paint is not sticking to the walls on the side.
Hello.
It is the next day because we had to take a break, obviously. Peanut came to the bathroom to help us out. I'm currently painting the wooden frames. I'll leave this as is because this is going to be the area where we put the glue.
We'll put the glue, yeah.
But yeah, we are going to paint this white because we are going to put a dark color on it, and we just want to make sure that the frames are in the same shade as the walls we're going to paint. So
Right now everything is looking, you can see on camera already, it's so beautiful and white.
yeah.
Almost a little bit sterile. It's got a
Yeah,
little
yeah.
bit of a hospital vibe right now.
I know,
But that will change in the next few hours.
Yeah, it will change. Also, I mean, yeah, even I thought it looks very hospital-like.
Yeah, it's super white.
It will get its character in a
Exactly.
bit. No, Peanut.
Colette,
No.
no, that's poisonous for you, Peanut. Poisonous.
Take her.
Let's see the paint that Nelly picked for the walls. You ready?
Ready?
Wow! Look at that. It's green.
It's green. You
I like it, yeah.
So we decided to go with a dark green that reminds us of a forest. Well, kind of. Like a vintage forest. But yeah, we needed some kind of contrast with this. And then the thingy that will be down here. So that's exciting.
That's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It will get darker once it dries, but yeah, this is pretty much the color. Okay, this bathroom renovation is an ongoing process, I must say. We finished. Hey, who's naughty? Naughty? Yes. Yeah, Peanut wants attention because we're in her room all the time and she can't go in, so she's very annoyed with that, right? Are you annoyed? Yes? So yeah, we finished the wood planks that are going to be the divider, and I can already give you a little sneak peek of how it looks. Little sneak peek so you can look forward to the next video. It already looks super good. Do you want?
To show it on the wall?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, so this is the green that I painted yesterday. It looks so good.
Yeah, we still need
to
do the edges properly.
Yeah,
so it'll be a cleaner cutoff. But yeah, it's gonna look so cool.
Yeah.
So cool. It's like yeah, it's really nice. I like it. Let's not show too much.
Yeah. But
The reveal is gonna be epic.